Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, if I'm a director who has to put my company into liquidation, whose job is it to tell my employees that they've either lost their job or will be losing their job? Now, most directors do genuinely care about their employees. I know in saying that, there's going to be some exceptions, and I have seen exceptions to the rule. However, in my general practice, I do see that most business owners and most company directors do genuinely care about their employees who are about to lose their jobs. Now, in some cases, the director will choose to tell the employees directly, usually when it becomes inevitable that the company has to go into liquidation, which is usually quite close to before the date of liquidation itself. In other cases, the director will request that the liquidator tell the employees. There can be a variety of reasons for this. Sometimes the director might find it too hard to express the fact that their employees are losing their job. And other times they want the liquidator to be able to provide all the follow-up information about accessing Centrelink or accessing the Fair Entitlements Guarantee Scheme, which is the Commonwealth Government scheme that does pay some employee entitlements when a company goes into liquidation. So this decision is usually made in a conversation or conversations between the directors and liquidators, and the liquidator will generally recommend what might be best in the circumstances.